I want to spend a few minutes and provide a preview of the new Kumu e-learning environment from Systems Thinking World. This learning environment is a set of learning modules that are all interrelated, that have to do with systems thinking, Insight Maker, and Kumu. Some of them at the moment are storytelling with Kumu and storytelling in Insight Maker, developing simulation models in Insight Maker, and systems archetypes, effective problem solving. The content is all there. We have a lot of housekeeping left to do, though for each one of the individual modules, if you select the module and then select storytelling, there are a set of learning elements along a thread that one progresses through, talks about why storytelling and about developing causal relationships and options, and gives a set of examples and asks you to do a set of assignments that are posted to the group for review, and the discussions are included so that you can post your models for others to learn from. In some of them, if we look at the systems archetype module, it presents the 17 most common systems archetypes, both in causal loop form and as a simulation model. You can go to the individual element, you can watch a video about that particular element, and it unfolds in a causal loop structure and in a simulation model. You can then actually access that model online inside of the environment, have it walk through and tell you about the causal loop structure, the stock and flow structure. It actually does a number of simulations with various parameters for you, and then it gives you an opportunity to actually interact with the model itself so that you can change parameters and run the simulation right in the context of the learning environment. And if you find a model that you actually want to do something with, you can actually open the model in a new tab. In Insight Maker, you can then clone it and make a copy of it that belongs to you, and you can do anything that you want to with it. So there's a lot of interaction in the environment itself for almost every learning element. There is a video and access to one or more models that are representative of that particular segment or element of the learning thread, along with a number of examples and the ability to actually interact with the people that are developing it and the rest of the students, so that at the moment there's a rather lengthy ongoing conversation amongst the people who are actually working on the content itself. And we have been going on for quite some time. And these are all conversations in the context of the learning environment itself. Now, presently, you can go to systemswiki.org. If you're not sure where SystemsWiki is, if you go to any browser that doesn't live under a rock and type in SystemsWiki, it will get you to this page. You can come here and you can subscribe to this learning environment for $5 a month. You can subscribe for a month or 2 months or 3 months, subscribe for a month and come back 3 months later and subscribe for a month. The content will continue to evolve over time. We have at least a dozen more learning modules that we want to add to the environment as soon as we get the housekeeping cleaned up for these. So stop by, take a look at the descriptions on the various learning modules that are here. If this looks like something that may be of interest and use to you, please go ahead and subscribe and support the effort. I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care. Bye.